Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where voice typing comes from and why it's active. If you have Windows Speech, Mac OS Dictation, Chrome Voice, or an app like Google Docs, find that source in Settings or the Apps Tools menu. Once located, close competing dictation apps so you're not toggling the wrong control. Make sure your microphone device is visible in Sound Settings so you can test off-state later. Now open the specific settings pane for the feature you identified. You now turn the feature off. In Windows, go to Settings Privacy and Security Speech and toggle off Online Speech. On Mac OS, open Keyboard Dictation and set dictation to off. In Chrome or Google Docs, open Tools or Chrome, //settings/content/microphone and remove microphone access for the site. If a toggle isn't enough, revoke microphone permission for the app and then restart it. Signing out and back, it ensures the permission change takes effect and stops background listeners. Finish by verifying the change. Open a plain text editor and type to confirm no voice input triggers. Speak a short phrase to test. If voice returns, update or reinstall the dictation app or audio drivers because corrupted software can re-enable features. Make sure startup apps don't re-enable dictation and remove any scheduled tasks that launch voice services. If things still fail, disable the microphone hardware in Device Manager or System Preferences to isolate the problem. That one's
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.